In 2023, a new operations manager joined the company. He had no corrugator experience. He wanted to be able to evaluate the machines, understand the operations. As we were taking the tour, he witnessed an operator performing the gap check. My name is Paul Guy. I started in December 2020 as a reliability manager, and I've been Director of Operations and Operations Manager for the corrugator currently.
My name is Darryl Emmanuel Harris. I am the first shift corrugator supervisor here in Augusta, Georgia. What we're trying to do is just check the gap between the corrugator roll and the glue roll. And when we stick the paper down in there, we're trying to get a tug on it.
We need the machine running. You have to reach into the machine under a heated vessel, under a piece of equipment that can go up and down with hydraulic cylinders. And then you're dropping that piece of material right into the nip point.
My name is Luke Lucas. I've been at GP now for 8 years. I'm a double backer operator. The process was kind of dangerous. One thing, the roll's turning, so you don't want to have your hands that close to it, so it can pull you in.
The vessels are at least 345 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you think of touching a hot iron, you will burn yourself.
We was too close to the heat, people were getting burned.
It was surprising how we'd become numb to that process.
We were so complacent and used to doing it that way, we thought it was the right way.
We have weekly meetings where we talk about principle-based management, and we pick moments to review the 5 dimensions and how we can apply those aspects to the things we do on a daily basis. So as we try to find a solution where we could check that gap from a safer distance, we sat in a room with maintenance, with operators, with leadership, and we talked through, could we make a tool, or what tool could we use to feed the material into that gap? We came up with a prototype design. So it just allowed you to stand all the way back, you can stand upright, and you can feed the material through the tool and into that gap and stay away from all the hazards.
This helped us where we don't even have to go near it. So the paper just pushes itself straight inside that area.
When we first provided the solution to use for the employees, the reaction was excitement.
After we got the stand in place and they saw exactly what we were doing and what we were trying to achieve with the stand, and they saw how safe it was using it, everybody came on board with it, and they thought that it was a great idea.
It is a whole lot easier and safer, so you don't really have to worry about getting pulled in.
Everybody's tried to get in a hurry and say, well, this is the way that we used to do it, and this is the way we've been doing it for years. That didn't make it the right way. So we embrace change with all the employees out on the floor, and they see that it's easier and is also safer for them at the same time.
Leadership truly put safety first. So we identified the risk, we went through the prototype phase, and then within 2 months had come to a solution to keep employees safe.
I truly believe that while we're sharing it, we're going to save someone's life, or we're going to do something that's going to prevent an injury. As managers and leaders, we want them to come in knowing that they have achieved something within Georgia Pacific. We want to make sure that they know that we are looking out for their safety. They come first with us.